look around, my friend. Has not the community around you changed? Everything has changed. So tell me, if the United States of America has to do a trade deal in business, who are you going to trust? A business hopeful like candidate Joe Biden, or a businessman like President Donald J. Trump? Do you see this? This is a threat, an unseen threat. That's right. So who are you going to trust? Someone who knows the law, like Kamala D. Harris? Or the military, like Vice President Mike Pence? It's very simple. The United States of America has to do business and trade. We're going to go into business with our best player. Vote President Donald J. Trump in the upcoming elections. And with restrictions on travel and an unseen threat, someone with the law or someone with the military. Vote for Vice President Mike Pence. Vote Trump Pence in the upcoming election. I am First Boy Baron Trump in the collective body, and I approve this message.